In this video, I'll show you how to exchange BTC to USDT in Binance. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Okay, so for us to be able to exchange or convert BTC to USDT in Binance, you make sure you have an account here. If you don't have, this is the perfect time to sign up. And once you've done that, log in using our credentials. So this is the easiest way to exchange BTC to USDT. All I'm going to do is click on market right here and select the crypto. Say, for example, it's going to be BTC. Let's check BTC right here. That's Bitcoin going to, of course, our USDT right here. After doing so, just need to enter the amount, right? And you can click on preview conversion. And of course, you have to have a wallet balance for you to be able to check the right here. So basically, if you have a balance on your account, you will be able to easily exchange BTC to USDT here in Binance. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all in the next video.